if not everything fits, I think I might cry. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is officially less than a week until I leave for Salzburg, and oh my goodness, I am starting to get those like nervous feelings, and not because I'm scared to go. I'm so excited to go. I cannot wait, but I have never left the country before. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna be away from home for like 4 months and I still haven't packed yet. So I'm starting to get kind of nervous, but like in a good way. So I thought I would do kind of a little pack with me, and I still have like 6 days before I leave. So I thought I would do one little chunk of the main thing I'm doing every day for this video. So basically just a short little snippet of kind of how I'm packing each day to kind of show the process. I thought today for day 1 of packing, I would show the different bags I'm bringing with me, just to show kind of like how much stuff I'm actually gonna be bringing. Trust me, I'm trying to downsize, trying to be as minimalistic as possible, but I'm like, I also want to look cute. But let's just jump right into day 1. What bags am I bringing? So the first bag I want to talk about is my carry-on backpack. It's this cute little red bag. Pretty much everywhere I've traveled this summer, I brought this bag as my carry-on, and it is amazing. It is so big and spacious. It fits everything I need it to. Everything, like seriously. So here's the inside. You can see it's pretty deep. Like pretty much my entire lower arm fits into it. So it's a pretty deep bag. And then I think like the coolest feature on this bag is this little zippered pocket on the back. You just unzip it and it opens right up into the main compartment. So it's really nice. Say you're trying to get your passport or something real quick, but you don't have time to take your backpack all the way off. You kind of just keep it on your back and you can slide your hand inside and grab it like that. And then the next bag I'm bringing is my carry-on suitcase. It's a pretty small suitcase. I've used it for week-long travel, and that one for going to Salzburg is gonna be primarily like stuff I can't live without. As long as you're good about packing and aren't really bringing too many items, you can really pack for a week in there. It's really good. My last bag that I'm bringing is my big full duffel suitcase. This bag is the best bag in the entire world because it has a really great lower compartment, and then the top is a duffel bag, so it's really great for bringing a lot of clothes because you can really stuff it full. Get it? Because it's a full brand. This bag works great and it's really sturdy and durable. I feel comfortable checking it and not worried that anything is gonna get ruined or anything like that. So those are the 3 bags that I'm planning on bringing with me to Salzburg. I'm just really scared that not everything's gonna fit. Like, we're crossing our fingers, we're holding on tight, and we're just diving on into this. But let me show my little countdown. I feel like this is something I should do with each of the segments. It says 6 days until I leave for Austria officially. I'm just hoping I make it through the rest of this week without any like major problems. All right, well, that's gonna be the end of my day 1 segment. I will see you tomorrow for some more packing. Okay, it's day 2 of packing, and today I am going to be tackling this giant bag of toiletries. I just bought like full-size bottles of every product that I use so that I can start fresh for the next 3.5 months and hopefully not run out of anything while I'm there. Let me show you this bag. It is huge and it's so heavy. Oh, like just full of toiletries that I'm gonna have to put into that duffel suitcase I showed yesterday. We're gonna cross our fingers that that works out. And then to show you guys the countdown, It now says 5 days until I leave for Austria. I'm going to turn on some music and start packing. Okay, so that went way quicker than I thought it would. I really thought that I was gonna be here for like a good amount of time trying to figure out how to fit all this stuff in here, but it actually all worked out. So I'm giving myself a little pat on the back. I'm impressed with myself. Now that this is done, I feel like everything's gonna fit. That's it for day 2 of packing. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 3. Welcome to day 3 of packing. I am starting to get a little stressed, but you know, it's okay. We're working through it. I'm just overwhelmed. Today, I'm doing shoes, and shoes are kind of clunky. You can't really squish shoes, so we're gonna see how this goes. I will show my little countdown. There we go. 4 days until I leave for Austria officially. Okay, I'm just gonna show you all the shoes that I'm bringing. We're gonna hop right into that. And then I have some little shoe bags. They're cute, they say my name on them. Also have these little food covers. So I'm gonna put just my dirtier pairs of shoes in this. And these are good to bring too if they do get dirty while I'm over there. Okay, so that's all of my shoes that I'm bringing. But in addition to putting the shoes in the duffel suitcase, I also went ahead and packed one of my little Patagonia packing cubes. I need to take the tags off. So this is the medium Patagonia packing cube, and this one's got socks and underwear in it right now. Yeah, that's gonna be it for day 3 of packing. I will see you guys for day 4. All right, hello, welcome to day 4 of packing. Today, we're tackling the hardest part, the clothing. I'm gonna show the little countdown. 3 days until I leave for Austria. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out all the clothes that I would want to bring, and then I'm going to downsize from there. And then the other thing is I have my other Patagonia packing cube. This one is in the large size. My plan is to fit my like t-shirts and stuff in here. I will just get right on into laying everything out. Wish me luck. So I didn't film a little conclusion piece to day 4 of packing because I was just so tired and sweaty and like stressed, but I did manage to get everything I wanted into the bags. So yay, snaps for that. That was really exciting, and all I'll say is that I'm definitely going to need an iron when I get to Austria because whew, that stuff is going to be wrinkled. My camera did die while I was packing, so I did some stuff just because I needed to start moving things into the bag or else I was going to literally freak out. But basically what I did is I used 3 jumbo-sized Ziploc bags that are the ones that you can push the air out so they kind of squish your clothes down and stuff, and I was able to fit a lot of my like big sweaters and jackets and sweatshirts and stuff like that into those bags, which is really helpful because it did end up saving a lot of space. And then as for the small carry-on bag, but I haven't tried to close it yet. We'll see what happens with that one, but I have faith in it. It's a good bag. I believe in it. Welcome to day 5 of packing, the last day of packing, which means that, countdown, there are only 2 days left until I leave for Austria. Oh my gosh. So for today, for day 5, my last day of packing, since I'm all done putting stuff in the suitcases, I thought I would talk a little bit about the stuff I'm putting in my carry-on. So this is kind of just like stuff that's important to me, stuff that I really want to bring. The first thing is my little travel pillow. The nice thing about this travel pillow is that it has the overlapping neck pieces, so that it gives you a little bit of support. I'll demonstrate. It gives you just a little bit of extra support. You can pull it pretty tight and just kind of. The other thing I'm bringing, my little travel blanket in its little case. I brought this mostly for the center at Austria. I don't know how warm or cold it's gonna be there, so I'll use this as just an extra blanket when it starts to get a little bit colder there. Next, I have my bullet journal. I am taking classes. My bullet journal is also going to work as my planner. This is my September spread. In the following pages, I'm going to just add the weeks so that I can use it to write down my homework and stuff like that. I also have this really pretty floral journal that I was given as a birthday gift by one of my really good friends, and even she suggested using it as a journal to just keep track of what I'm doing while I'm in Austria. So I'm bringing this journal special just to write about what I'm doing in Austria. And then the last thing I have in my little list of items, this little passport holder. So far, this has been pretty good. This I think is just super convenient, really easy to just kind of slide in the carry-on. So yeah, that is going to be the end of packing day 5 and the end of my pack with me video. I'm gonna close this video out now. I hope you enjoyed getting to come along with me on my packing process, and let's be real, it was a journey, but we survived. We're doing it. We're leaving for Austria in 2 days, and stay tuned for my first actual vlog, which will be starting tomorrow for me, actually, where I move to Europe for 3.5 months. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!